But the three most powerful, explanation, the three most powerful, reasoning of mantra that Lord Shiva gives, I love them. So we'll talk about it. So first is that Lord Shiva says, Manena Trayati iti mantra. That which transcends the mind, that which takes you beyond the mind is mantra. Whatever we are a sum total of our likes and our dislikes. What we have done, what we have not done, what we have, what we don't have. And all this is just dependent on our mind. So we are nothing but our mind. It's like a house which is kept empty, and few caretaker servants are living over there. You buy a beautiful house in Ooty, a second home or holiday home, and you keep a caretaker over there, and the caretaker starts believing that you have not come visited there for 2 years or 3 years because of COVID, and he starts believing that he is the owner. So after the COVID, you send a manager over there to take care of that place. Now this caretaker will have a difficult time. He will start disobeying the manager. Somehow the manager is more powerful than the caretaker because you have given the power to the manager and you had given the power to the caretaker also, but you have given more power to the manager. So the manager in time, he will control the caretaker, or he will discard, he will fire the caretaker. Then the manager starts staying over there, caretaker is taking care, caretaker is now become a servant. But as time comes, you one day visit Ooty, and now the manager is having difficulty to accept you as the owner. This same thing happens to us. We believe we are the body. The body, we as animals, we as anything else, we only believe in two purpose of our lives. One is eating and one is making, pleasures. But suddenly, as we take over as humans, the mind takes over. When the mind takes over, the body starts rebelling. I want food, I want pleasure, I want this, I want that. But you, as the real owner, have given more power to the mind. So finally, the mind takes control of the animal instincts, and the body is, subsidized. The body is controlled by the mind. But now the problem is that the mind starts taking the control. And when you come, the mind does not recognize you, the soul, the spirit, as the real owner. And so the mind starts, acting funny like the caretaker. So what you have to do is you have to go beyond the mind and you have to wake up the mind and tell the mind, hello, see, I am the one who created you. I am the one who gave you this job and I'm the one who is controlling you. So what will take you beyond the mind? Right now, what we are, we only know ourselves as our mind. We don't know our soul. So that which takes us beyond the mind is mantra. Manena trayati iti mantra. That which transcends the mind is mantra. When the soul, when the life force, when the spirit is flowing outwards, it is the mind. When the same soul, when the same spirit starts flowing inwards, it becomes the soul, it becomes the spirit. So, mantra is that which takes you beyond your mind. The second explanation by Lord Shiva only is also very beautiful, is that amantrane iti mantra, that which invites us within ourselves, that which invites divine within yourself, is mantra. The divine, as Nidhuji said, is only and only within you. Mother is within you, and you are within mother. There's no difference between you and your God. So, what happens is, what makes you realize that? That is mantra. That not only invites but makes you self-realized. That makes you realize that you are the God that you are worshipping. That is mantra. Because mind going outwards, you feel I'm Hitesh Guruji, I'm Dr. Guruji, jack of all trades, master of all. There's blah blah. But when you go inside, you know that I am the mother that I'm worshipping. Technically also, scientifically also, if you see Niluji, your hair, your skin, your lips, your bones, your blood, your nails, everything that you have has arrived from your mother.
Right, right,
So you are nothing but your mother. But your mother has arrived from her mother. So again, you are nothing but your nanima, grandmother. And in this fashion, going backwards, we all have arrived from that yoni, from that black hole, and countless universes have arrived from the great mother. So we all are nothing but mother. That is amantran, that concept, that reality, that truth. When it comes in your mind, it is coming via mantra. Amantrane iti mantra. Then people believe Hitesh Guruji is doing magic, this, that. No, no, there is no Hitesh Guruji. It is mother who is doing magic. The third is that Maitre iti mantra. Maitrane iti mantra. That makes you friends with others. Frankly speaking, this is my personal belief that all the problems in this and countless universes, whether it is connected with relationship, kids, money, enmity, anything, is because we cannot tolerate the other. We are not friendly to the other. You will have that much money as many people know you, are friends with you, not otherwise. Amriji, if you can, spotlight me, it will be good. So once when you befriend everyone, when you are friendly with the complete universe, the total universe, you don't have enemies, you don't have problem in your marriage relationship, you don't have problem with finance, you don't have problem with your planets. Your planets are in your favor because you are friendly with your planets. You are friendly with your enemies also. You have nothing against anyone. And for that, it is necessary that first you be friendly with yourself. So, one who makes you friendly with the whole universe, the deities, the divine, the God, and everyone on this planet, and also yourself, that is mantra. Maitre iti mantra, the one who makes you friendly with everyone. is mantra.